Lie down, touch your skin, feel the weight of your body on the earth, on the Mother Earth. Feel the embrace of the Nut Sky Goddess. Feel her embrace, her giving the milk, her giving the safety, the embrace of the mother. Feel the Father give his stability, his solidity, his structure, his leisure, his lushness in nature, in Pan, in organic embrace of you, the child, their child of love, of the beloved. Place your left hand on your womb, right hand on your heart. Let your belly rise, let it fall. No holding, no guarding, just gravity. Let yourself be heavy. Let yourself be whole. Let the breath breathe in you, moving through you, giving you the depth, the deep, deep depth of being, of breathing, of fluidity, of relaxing, of being in the embrace of Nut and Geb. Say aloud, I sink into the arms of the unseen. I am held in the lap of life. I am safe to rest. I am safe to begin again. Close your eyes. Imagine the soil beneath your spine becoming soft, velvet black, the mud, the primal mud of the lotus. You are sinking inch by inch into a slow, moist underground. A womb beneath the womb. A world before the world. You smell the myrrh, wet moss, clay. You hear nothing but your own blood. You are unfolding. You are fertile earth. Say aloud, I enter the deep. I enter the root. I enter the place where transformation begins. Let your breath become deeper and deeper and deeper. Let your jaw soften. Let your eye sockets sink in their sockets. Let your smile, your inner smile, touch this world. Let your inner hearing, the labyrinth of your inner ear, be so sensitive. Whisper. The dark does not devour me. The dark remakes me. Feel her now, Wadjet, the serpent mother, the coil at the base of your spine. She steers, she remembers, she begins to rise. Feel her like warm oil moving up the river of your spine, from root to sacrum, to solar plexus, to heart. The stem of the lotus is rising up through the luminous ascent, through the light, through the golden diamond light. Breathe. As she moves, say, every center of my body reawakens the emerald. Every gate of my power opens. Every lock becomes a key. Now feel her in your throat, your voice center. Touch your throat. Touch the lapis lazuli of your light, of your power. Whisper, my voice holds the code. My voice unlocks the way. My voice carries the pulse of my unfolding. Now call upon Hathor. Feel her pouring liquid gold through the crown of your head, down your spine, into your womb. This is honey, this is music, this is life, unfolding, returning. Say aloud, I sweeten the field, I bless the air I breathe, I anoint my nervous system with compassion, dancing, shivering, shaking, opening all sensuality, all sensual beings, all sensual frequencies, opening up into the nodes of my nervous system, web of being, and expanding and retrieving the love of being. Every cell of my body sings, every breath is sacred, every moment is worthy. The mitochondria, the mother lineage, her opening of the silver river of being, of supporting, of moving the stream towards the sea. The river Nile is carrying you to the sea. Let yourself smile, let your mouth open and sigh. Hathor is in your bones now. She is in you. She is you. Call upon Set, not the demon, but the liberator of stagnation, the fire that burns the old shape, the sword that clears the clutter, the katana sword. Imagine a red wind swelling through your field, cutting old cords, outdated beliefs, frozen fragments. Say, my field is clean, my roots are clear, my spine stands sovereign. I walk forward with clarity. I release all patterns of collapse. I allow only truth to live here and now. Let yourself feel tall, even lying down. Lengthen your neck, expand your chest. Let your spine arc towards the beloved. Let your love touch every cell in your body. Set is standing beside you now, guardian of your edges, protector of your path. Feel your body as a river. Feel your pulse. Feel the blood in your wrists. Feel the breath moving into your belly. Say aloud, my nervous system flows like water. My breath is the bridge to safety. My womb holds the wisdom of tides. Every heartbeat reclaims a part of me. Every breath invites more of me home. I belong to myself. I belong to myself. I belong to myself. Touch your belly, touch your yoni. Massage your lower abdomen in slow circles. Touch your yoni. Give her pleasure. The dome is alive. My vision is rooted. My allies are aligning. I emanate. I radiate. I remember. Now sit up slowly or imagine yourself rising, cloaked in gold, spine a rod of light. I move from signal, I emit trust, I embody rhythm, I invite miracles. My nervous system is my compass, my womb is my oracle, my voice is my beacon. Place both hands on your heart, feel the frequency. Whisper, I am the frequency of fullness. I'm the keeper of sacred timing. I am the living architecture of love. Pause, breathe, seal. You are love.